Drive from 1 to 1 yard. What you know about that dance? For live 3 minutes apart. Living life like rock stars. UTG, AMG, G63, we only whip these. German, Suburbans and Ubers for discreet. 30 pound my chest and if you touch it you go 6 feet. All about the cheddar but me ready for the mince beef. All hail the king please. One done with these. Fucking up the weather with a rain we cannot repeat.
Yo, this is a Ugly Truth podcast. I'm come for that one Vybz today. Really and truly, I this a Kartel go wrong. Should I never name the youth them after you. See me? They might be them own person. You have to make them be them own person. That's where you go wrong. That's the first thing, cause the fans them look for them now for feel your shoes. Which we know that not possible. Based on what we see right now. See me? Now I go say, can't happen later down, but what we see right now, not possible. See me? But we need to put more effort in music. We need to get more hungry for music. And too complacent, comfortable. So I think if you really want the music, you need to get more hungry for it. Or if not, just leave it the fuck alone. Really and truly. I'm not going to say enough to stop. But just put effort in it there. Because you don't sound bad. If you know as a regular person, I guarantee you don't sound that stuff. People that sound alright. But when you know the greatest sound, I wanna push out music like this is that yo, it's gonna be a laughing stock at the town. You see me? People are gonna say, what the fuck this? Kartel can't have them in the studio. You know people talk, bro. But you have to use them thing as a motivation, bad man. Get the thing active. Come out of that comfort zone. You don't reach already, so that you not go for. You not go for prove something. Say yo, you are going, can be as great as mine. That you don't need for you do. See me? The bag of fuck you on a rush release, brother. And spend time in the studio. No bother with the bag of media, stop follow Kartel. No bother with the bag of media. Every minute I see it on blood clot media do freestyle you. You don't need to do this bag of media thing. You don't need to just know say yo. Go in the studio, focus, try get some rhymes, try get some lyrics and put the thing together properly. But I wanna push out now make no sense. You see me? Because Uno represent the greatest, the king of the dancehall. Brother, as much as I'm going to agree with Bob and him youth them and the bag of Grammy when we see them a win. Because most of them music I see them not even know them. Some of them tune with them push out, I don't know them. But the sound with them sound, probably, them can say alright, them sound good. Junior Gang Marley, brother, you listen to them on them music, you can say yes, it's a gang sound. But you can hear him. See me, the message them a deliver, bro. You don't need to forget, you don't need to come out of that comfort zone, brother. When you reach, understand that. But if you don't want the music, brother, you left it alone. Baby, I'm telling you again, left it alone, brother. See me? Because you right now, you are embarrassing yourself. Not even Kartel, yourself. You know the Gaza fans them and the fans them overall. Let me not go this Kartel. I'm not going to I'm tired to see the man them disrespect you and not dealing with a type of way on the internet, brother. Spend more time in the studio and rush the thing. Learn the craft, get some flow, different style. As so now go get better, brother. Use them critics, yeah. Use me. And come out and say, you are going. The Ugly Truth talk some shit for me, so I have to come out from. Show the boy I say I'm bad for true. As someone want to do it. No bother with this bag of foolishness every day on the internet I try it. Try for rhyme, try for this, try for that. No bro. Your freestyle no sound too bad, bro, but for your man, you come from the king of dancehall, bro. You need to do better, brother. You need to spend more time, put more effort in this, bro. But if you don't do that, you don't know where sense you take up music and your brother for. I tell you the truth. Left it alone, go do producing, go do something else. Go do no sell. Go you invest in some real estate or something, brother. I do something else you want to my life. You see me? Because now I'm embarrassing yourself on the internet, brother. Spend time in the studio. Learn the craft. You don't need to dip on the internet every minute show sound that you can DJ. No, brother. Because I'm just embarrassing yourself. Spend time in the studio. Learn the craft. Get more hungry for your music, bro. And at this up, you now go unlock on true potential. Use what me I say to you now as a stepping stone and say, alright, here we go. No like what a boy you chat, you know. I make something deep. This me if you want to. But just work for your craft. Because I'm not like how it look. It don't look good, brother. You the Truth Podcast. I'm out.